how seal coating protects your pavement and your budget. Brought to you by SealMaster, the #1 name in pavement maintenance. Seal coating is a vital part of asphalt pavement maintenance that offers both protective and aesthetic benefits. Seal coating helps extend the life of pavement by shielding it from damaging elements like UV rays, water, oil, and chemicals. Over time, exposure to sunlight and weather can cause asphalt to oxidize, dry out, fade to gray, and crack. Asphalt pavement oxidation is a chemical process where oxygen reacts with the black asphalt binder, or glue, that holds the pavement together. The asphalt binder is what coats the rock, giving new asphalt pavement a rich, black color when installed. Photooxidation from the UV rays of the sun significantly speeds up the oxidation process. Thermal oxidation, which is caused by the heat of the sun, further accelerates the oxidation process. Moisture is also a contributing factor to the progressive deterioration of unsealed pavement. It seeps down into and through the pavement, washing away the oxidized asphalt binder. All of this environmental distress ultimately leads to graying out, cracking, raveling, and eventually potholes. Seal coating acts as a protective barrier that significantly delays the aging process and keeps pavement flexible and strong. In addition to superior protection, seal coating dramatically enhances the appearance of asphalt parking lots, driveways, and roads, restoring a rich, dark black finish that greatly enhances curb appeal. Seal coating is an investment in your property's aesthetics and reputation. It revitalizes faded, worn-out pavement, making your property more appealing to customers, attractive to potential tenants, and welcoming to guests. In fact, your pavement is essentially the welcome mat to your property. In addition, a sealed surface is easier to clean, enabling property owners to maintain a neat, professional pavement appearance. A scheduled program of seal coating, typically every 3 years, can double the life of your asphalt pavement while providing a fresh, professional look throughout its lifespan. Seal coating is a cost-effective, preventive measure that saves money in the long run, protects your investment, and boosts the value and appearance of your property. It's a smart financial decision for both commercial and residential pavement owners. With over 60 years of experience, SealMaster continues to be the #1 brand of pavement sealer, with over 3 billion gallons applied worldwide. SealMaster leverages its franchise system to provide extensive support, encompassing more than 125 manufacturing and distribution hubs throughout North America, and product distribution extending to over 60 nations. The SealMaster National Network of professional contractors provides full-service pavement maintenance, including pothole repair, crack filling, seal coating, line striping, and more. Contact SealMaster today to have a pavement maintenance specialist provide you with a free pavement inspection and estimate, and get the job done right with SealMaster.